Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yo.
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 What's good, brothers?
Que lo que. There's like a no limits in over there. Yeah. Can't forget that one. Oh man. Coffee ain't hit yet, man. But what y'all got up in here?
I'm thinking I might have Coinbase or Meta pulled up.
I'm probably leaning towards coin.
It's close.
Going right now.
What strike are you guys looking at? 210s?
Either the 205s or 210s.
Right.
You know what's crazy? 207.50s have the most.
Yeah, geez, I was just about to say that.
Bro, by a lot
40,
too.
40K in open interest. That might have to be the one, honestly.
Yeah, I think that's
My
what I'm gonna go with.
target's 208. Like, I feel like 210's too far.
I have 208 also. First target, depending how. I actually have 207, depending on how we get there. First target, but 210 is final. Well, really, I wrote down 212, but I ain't holding that far. So, Nor, what you got here at open? More than likely Meta, huh?
Nah, I'm with you guys. I'll switch over to Meta though if I have to.
I like Meta too. Not till 580 though, right?
Yeah.
No, you actually like coin?
Yeah, I do.
Oh,
So you
okay.
guys like the 207.50s for real?
Benji, what do you like, bro?
Volume.
I'll,
I mean,
I'll
open
play.
interest.
I'll play whatever you play, Benji.
I'm leaning towards the 205s, bro.
Again, I don't even. Intro. We're looking at coin. 205s. You know, it is Wednesday. You still can go to 207.50s. I'm personally gonna have the 207.50s. I believe Benji's doing the 205 toss.
I think I'm gonna have the 210s. No, you just think it's too
I'm
far?
I'm personally gonna have
well,
207.50s.
Yeah, the open interest is heavy. Yeah.
It's
Yeah, I don't.
heavy. Like I've never
And
seen
you,
it like
you have
that.
to remember too how bad the spreads are in this stock. So if I have a chance of these having the most volume at open and having a good spread, then
Look at Meta, though, bro.
yeah, if coin breaks here, then I'm gonna just switch to meta and just look at that.
That's too close there.
Are you taking
Yeah.
this right off the open?
No.
You
I'm
sure?
not doing it either.
Yeah, spreads are. See, like on Tesla, I can afford to do that because I can have a controlled stop loss because the spreads are always tight on that.
Oh, we don't
Coin?
have the Tesla play though, right?
No, but I'm comparing the two
Okay.
on why I would why I take Tesla at open and something like this I wouldn't.
Okay.
It's only $1
Because
away.
in the chance
What's up,
that I
Snippet
kind of
Cult-
pull back on
Sculptor-
coin,
Sculptor?
those spreads are gonna.
What up, Trend Dubs?
They're gonna be something.
First time been here been
What's wrong,
following
bro? You didn't want to
the
say
bro.
it.
Dopamine. Yes, sir. Good morning, no
Gotta keep
man.
it chat
Yo,
appropriate,
Cameron.
George.
Right.
Bro,
You're right.
Fasta, yo.
You right.
Y'all looking at Meta for the downside? Yeah, we're looking at Meta. Oh, shit. It just slipped, actually. Yo, Meta just started slipping, bro.
Yeah, I know, bro.
See,
That's something. Meta spreads that open are pretty bad too. That's not as bad as coin,
No,
but
yeah. Oh, and then Microsoft just slipped. Wow. That's fast.
Meta's without the market too.
Meta is without the market, and that's what's interesting here. We got 50 seconds, Nor. What we doing?
What do you want to do, Noy?
I'm going to stay on coin, but, like, damn.
That's
That
a
looks
$4
fire.
drop
25, that
already.
looks nice too. So, just real quick for everybody else, if you're playing coin, just go lighter. Even Meta, opening drive play, first 5 minutes, just go lighter. I don't want to see everybody they blew their account because they don't have risk management on the first 5 minutes of the market.
Yeah.
Tell him, George.
All right, so we're looking at the 207.50 calls on coin, COIN. We'll see. I really don't...
If these contracts happen to be bad, I'll just switch to 205s. Just letting you guys know.
Yeah, just let us know.
Yeah.
I'll be looking, obviously.
If we go red to green, I won't take it at wherever it turns green. I'll take it at probably. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it's up to 210s.
We're getting on here, and that did not trigger my alert there.
Me
My
neither.
alert, I'm setting it at 204.85. What you think, Nor, about that?
Yep.
I'm switching to the
Y'all don't
210s,
think it's-
bro.
What are you switching to?
The 210s.
Oh, yeah. I'm switching to 210s, too.
Meta's coming down.
I don't have time to
I'm looking at the
switch,
210.
Yeah, no, I
calls.
don't either.
I'm looking at the 210 calls on coin. Only a 20-cent spread right here.
I just swapped to 210.
I'm in.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
All right, we need a break here of 206 to make this worth it. Where's your stop?
I got filled at 570 on these contracts, so probably 5% below that. Market's coming down.
Market's crashing.
Coin's still holding up. I still really like this.
Nah, just be careful here.
Yeah, spreads do move fast, so. My stop is going to be before 204 on the ask.
If I see these contracts at
just touched.
530, I'm personally getting out. Yeah.
I got out on the 204.
And look at Meta, bro.
Meta just slipped $3.
Yep. Thought about selling too some when we broke 50 cents.
Yo,
But
actually,
now
they
we're on the market.
coin contracts didn't hurt that bad. On
No, they actually held up.
Yeah, that was good. Wow, that was really good. For those types of contracts, I would thought it was way worse. And I don't even play coin. Meta ended up happening right off the open. Actually, it kind of broke like right before. As soon as market opened.
Yeah, that drop with the market there definitely helped it.
Yeah. Tesla's
Lot of
trying to have a
hope.
red to green right now.
And Meta's trying to have a green to red.
That's hilarious on Tesla.
I guess for the meantime, I'll get Tesla ready. I have nothing else that's relatively close or anything that I like, so.
That is without the market too.
What, you
Yeah,
have
so the
what?
option. Yeah, I mean, I don't have it till 224, but in the chance that we happen to keep pushing, I'll have it ready already.
I'm going to probably play that early. I'm looking at the 225 calls. Depending on what the market does and how Tesla reacts.
What's early for you?
Before 224.
Okay, because I was thinking right at 224 for myself.
I just want to see how this reacts here. Yo,
The
for
hype.
once, coin contracts don't fuck. Like, just do the right thing.
So close though. I will say that.
What'd you say?
Um, Jose talking about SMCI.
Oh, that is getting close, huh?
What is it at?
49.50 what I was looking at for that.
Market bouncing right where it needs to bounce, and we're gonna continue some upside here.
Tesla came back down.
I just haven't traded SMCI since it split, so I don't know how these contracts are. I don't know what's good,
It's
what's
gonna go red
bad.
to green there.
Yeah, I know.
Well, what's going red to green? SMCI?
It's
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that big candle here. Tesla had a wild candle just now.
It went from high day to low day.
Yeah.
What the hell are these contracts?
What?
I pulled them up.
SMCI?
Yeah.
What happened?
These prices. The
It's that
50s are
bad?
$1.
There's not that bad to be honest. $1 that far out.
It's
That
not
many
bad for a
percent.
stock like this, but I have
Yo,
to buy so
Tesla
many.
is getting killed.
I had downside, but not till 214, 215. I don't know what. I
I
don't know if
mean,
you had
bro, if it's moving
earlier.
like this, what the hell is this? You guys are on SMCI right now?
For the meantime, yeah, I mean the target or at least the entry for me isn't till like 49.50ish.
I don't think I played it past post split.
I haven't either.
SMCI moving any stock, yeah.
I want to see how these contracts move on Tesla. Wow, Tesla got smoked. It's actually serious.
The IV on SMCI is 92%.
What are you thinking about here in Tesla, North?
Damn, dude. I mean, I don't know here. Because SPY is starting to drop here, too. SPY
Yeah.
was holding up.
Think you
I would have had an earlier entry on Tesla if I was going to play that. Meta's holding up.
I was gonna say Meta's trying to recover right now.
Yeah, if I can get the right recovery on this, I'll end up taking this early to the upside. I know a lot of you weren't looking at that.
I was about to see if I had anything at 582, but I think I'm gonna just wait and see how this moves.
Yeah, NVIDIA is trying to move higher.
Yeah, I was gonna mention Nvidia never really dropped with that.
Yeah, but yesterday they got smoked. So it's like no man's land here. 133.
And there goes SMCI now too. Very aggressive moves here. It's like they're taking turns, bringing the stock up and then bringing them right back down. What's Maki's levels here on decent something?
Coin at 200. Wow. Okay.
Trying hard there to keep it above 219 on Tesla.
No, they're doing a good job.
Frank, I don't mind 582 on meta. We can hold 581.
That's a little early for me. I was gonna play this around 583.
Yeah, that
How
582
close did we
has to
get?
be
Let's see.
safer. Be the
We got
overnight gap.
20 cents close there.
Wow, market's still dropping.
Yeah, Meta's holding. That's why.
That's, I mean, if we get the
See why-
right candle in the 582, I'll take that play. But if we grind into it again like that, then I'm not gonna play it until 583, 584.
What contracts, George?
Alright, I'm taking up
Five. Mm,
pre-mark. I mean, after hours here on my 5-minute chart.
I guess 585s wouldn't be bad. The 590s have 1K, and
That's
the
the one I'm
585s
on.
have almost 800.
Wait, I'm looking at the 590s.
At 9. It's Wednesday.
I think I'm gonna do the 585s.
The video's holding up really well too. It's just I have nothing there. Market
NQ just had a
bounced.
massive candle.
Yeah. Tesla's coming back up.
Would you like before 224, right?
Yeah, but
Upside.
look at like Meta now.
Yeah, I don't like it now that the market had that.
It's just doing its own thing as freaking usual.
Make it work.
Even Nvidia. So like Nvidia was holding up the whole time. Right there, it couldn't even break out. Don't get me wrong, I still like Meta. It's just
No,
different.
I'd
type of
rather
play.
wait now. If it's not a hit, I'm not taking it at 582.
I like the idea of waiting. I like the idea of waiting for like a power candle into that high. But like Nor said, if it's like grinding into that level, then yeah, it's a no go.
I have nothing on the video, bro. There it goes, starting to let go there.
If you're on stream, guys, make sure you join the live Discord. I think there's a little latency on the YouTube stream and on the Twitter stream. Not for me, but the platform itself. But the link's there. It's free. Just join the
You get above
Discord.
5860, we're gonna get some upside here on ES.
Yeah, Tesla's grinding. I'm ready for it. Looks
You ready
good.
for Tesla?
I mean, it's not literally on it right now, but it's something that I'm definitely keeping an eye on.
Come on. It's only 12 minutes in the market.
Yeah.
Plenty of time. Right now, there's things moving all over the place. The closest thing is Tesla upside right now. Before we actually, North signals it, he's gonna give another heads up about it.
Yeah, before I switch over to it, I'll let you know what's levels for it. So Tesla levels, the actual level is 225. But it might deserve an earlier entry depending on how we get there and how it reacts to the market dropping here. But I'll show you the consolidation real quick. Hold up.
Nvidia to lower day there now. That
Yeah.
quick after holding up.
So that's Tesla. It may deserve an early entry depending on how we get there. We could see an entry at 223. No, baller. It would be less than $1. And then target would be about a $2 move. So a 2-to-1 minimum. Nvidia snapped low, Jay. Yeah, I wasn't gonna play that. I was in the middle of freaking no man's land there.
ES is coming back down. See, I really want to see this hold 58.50.
Yeah,
Q's
Nvidia got cooked.
slightly ahead. Alright.
Yeah, see, Tesla's doing the right things here. So if we can get a bounce soon in the market, Tesla will be the first one to go. Yeah, QQQ is getting cooked.
Wouldn't mind doing this like we did yesterday with the adding. Once we get above a certain level.
Yeah, that's how I'm gonna play it, most likely. Tesla's easy when it comes to contracts. But for right now, Tesla contracts I'm looking at is 225. There's always liquidity in all those contracts.
Yes, it's trying to bounce there, but they're looking like sellers are trying to step back in there.
Tesla slipped a little bit. Still above 220. Meta, I'm not touching anything there. For the downside, at least.
Sheesh. Yeah. Too good. It is. So I'm just leaning back, watching, waiting for things to come in. I've scanned around a little bit. I'll probably scan around again here in about another 4 minutes. Just gotta be patient right now. Market again, trying to bounce right at that 58.50, 53, but that's close enough to where I needed to bounce.
If
We'll
we get
see.
a bounce in the market, like a decent bounce, and AMD happens to hold below 157, I'll be interested at 156.
Yeah, Adi, I do like Microsoft. I said it before market open. The problem is market is dumping. So it's not the same play I was looking at previous to it. I like 413 on Microsoft. I just don't think I'm going to play it because the market's already dumping. If this got the head start, then it would have been different. But yeah, I like what you like. I was talking about it a little bit pre-market. Tesla with the bounce off of 220. No, the candle didn't close below.
What's my other chart? Quick bounce here on the ES. Now I just need this to hold above 58.60 once we get up there.
Brev, I would wait for 413 personally on a Microsoft. But is the level 430? The level is actually, to be exact,
413 looks fire, bro.
yeah, it's like 413 and 11, somewhere around that area. So Microsoft ended up rejecting there, coming right back down. I don't know. Hopefully Tesla can get going here so I don't even need to think about taking Microsoft.
Does seem weaker now.
What, Tesla?
No. Microsoft.
Yeah. Tesla just started moving higher.
Yeah, nah, but I like Tesla here. I like what it's doing. price here. 221.75.
What's the alert? The alert is dependent on the market. As of right now, my alert is 222.50. That will change depending on how we get to that price.
Let's see, they're fighting for opening price. I mean, no. They're trying to hold opening price.
Frankie's looking at something completely different, most likely, right now.
Yeah, I think he got AMD.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there goes Microsoft.
Microsoft just broke by 40 cents. Wow, market just got dumped. 50-cent break here. 60.
Good stuff for whoever caught it. Nice. Low day. I wasn't gonna take that anyways.
So Meta has a trend on the 1 hour. It would look good to the downside. Just, that trend is right at 575. So be careful if you're trying to play that.
Another bounce here on yes. You still looking at AMD? It's not. It didn't really do what you wanted it to do, huh?
I'm losing interest on it because the market's just coming down, making lows, and AMD's actually pushing or trying to hold above 157 now.
On days like today, you gotta be really, really picky. You gotta look at what the market is doing, just up and down. Looks like a barcode. You don't want to be like just taking anything that looks decent, right? So that's why look Frankie already saying, yeah, I'm starting to lose interest on that. Like even it does break. Let's say it breaks $10. Oh well, like it's not doing what it, can start doing what we needed. But at the moment, just gotta start being really, really picky, especially the market's moving like this.
The only scenario where I would look to take it is like not right now at this exact point, but like a momentum candle into the low to show me that sellers are stepping in stronger. It's like we talked about on Meta earlier at that 582 level. Like when you kind of needed a momentum or push candle into that level.
Like SPY, if you were playing the downside on SPY today, right? You would not be making money. This is just consolidating the last freaking 20 minutes here. QQQ is where you're making money on the downside of the market. This thing is from 491 to 488. It just keeps making newer lows. SPY isn't doing shit. It's just a barcode there.
Look at that. That's ES. I've been talking about 58.50 the whole time. We need to get above 58.60. So anything in between, that 10 point is tight. It's gonna break soon. There's no way they maintain that too much longer. One side or the other got to break here on SPY or on ES or whatever.
That's why I was picking on AMD, guys. I needed to set up a specific way for me to take it because look at that wick right there. Market's been making lows. AMG starting to catch up now, but there's no strong momentum candle into that low telling me that sellers were in control now.
When you think about it, kind of pushed up with ES there too.
Mm-hmm.
So you have a bounce here on SPY. NQ as well. Let's see if NQ can even hold that up.
There are important levels here on NQ, Frank. I don't really chart NQ like that.
Let me look at my big chart. The important level was 2300. That was the consolidation level. It broke last week.
20,000. Oh, 23,000
2300.
on NQ.
2300. 20,300. I just hate saying the whole number because it takes a lot longer to say.
Alright, I
so.
got you. Alright, I got you.
Mexican shit.
No, that ain't Mexican. Hey, you fucked me up with that one, Alex. I got you. Alright. After that, I'm assuming 20,000.
Yeah, I don't have anything till then.
What are we in? This 20, 25 minutes into the market? Let's see.
Finished 5 minutes yesterday. Can't always finish in 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Martin, that's fire, bro. If you've been cash this whole time, being patient, that's really good.
Yeah, I'm looking at SPY calls.
There we go.
Here we go. Come on.
He's looking at SPY call. The only thing that looks or makes sense here.
That was funny.
Yeah, the entry comes in at like 579.60.
We got a little time on that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a little far.
Alright, cool. Which is good. That's yeah. I like that where ES would be on that. It's beautiful.
Microsoft still slipping. Wow.
There are contracts, but I'm assuming 580s tomorrow's.
Were you talking to me, George? Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Nah, Maki. They were asking him what contracts, but I was answering for him, but I'm assuming next day's 580s.
Yeah, it's next day's 580.
Down 411.
Nice, Johnny.
I'm gonna have a dollar target, 50-cent stop loss. So that's about 25 cents a contract risk.
Meta's consolidating around this 576 low right now.
Yeah, 575 looks really good. It's just not the day for it, I don't think. There's a trend on the 1 hour. Unless market bounces and Meta stays there, then we'll be interested. Yo, Apple goes from 237 yesterday, one of the strongest stocks, down to 230, and it's just weak. All right, let's see if we can get a shift in momentum here in 20 seconds, 15.
Yeah, that fucking man, 576 into that 575 and don't look terrible, huh, Frank?
It's over.
It's
It doesn't
over.
look.
Fuck, I was looking at
Yeah.
the fucking bigger time frame here.
I just didn't like it there because NQ's coming down and making lows too.
Yeah, I would chill off that.
That 1 hour looks crazy.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely.
I'll send a screenshot to the chat so they understand why. Usually would be all over this, but NQ struggling. ES is holding up great. NQ is the one being a leech here. Yeah, D.
Man, Tesla's been trying to hold that 219 heavy.
Yeah. Yo, Microsoft 410. I'm dead.
The problem with that, George, is that market's coming down, making lows.
ES is definitely trying here. I think I'll have it ready with Monkey. Love to see NQ start coming up too, though.
SPY still early for that. I mean, SPY. Tesla's still early for that. Right now, Maki's looking at his calls. He's looking to enter around 579.60 for next day contracts. So he's not far. He has like 30 cents left till possible entry for him. We'll talk
Yeah,
about it more
Dimitri.
soon.
Yeah, pretty much, Dimitri. Hey, Dimitri paying attention.
Yeah, Dimitri.
I'm not even talking shit. I wish everybody else would do the same as you.
Maki, your play could be quick.
Yeah.
It's right
20
here.
cents away.
Getting there. What contracts? Tell them again, because we have Herbs today.
They're the 580. They're the 580 calls for next day expiration.
That's what he's
I
looking
need a
at.
close above this 40-cent level. And then I'm gonna give it a second after we close above because it's kind of extended. Gonna give it a second.
Jeez.
He's looking. That's Fernie SPY. He's looking at.
Oh my god, bro.
I missed it.
Yeah, me
Never
too.
mind, guys.
Yeah. I was trying to wait too, because my level was 5860, which lined up damn near the same. But there's two overextended there.
It's way too extended for me. I'm gonna wait. If it pulls back, then I'll be interested. If not, then I'll see you guys in like 2 hours.
Tesla's
Word.
getting close, but I'm still watching SPY here.
Maki,
Top.
for you, you say it's extended. For me, I don't see it as extended. So explain like to them, like even to me, why did you think that was extended? I didn't play it with you. I was waiting for you.
Yeah, so like to explain to the chat, the candle was coming from 579.20 all the way up to 579.60. So when volatility is low, I consider that an extended candle. If it was yesterday, I would not consider it extended. Because the volatility is high, it's capable of moving that large.
But a
But
consolidation break
on a
like
low
that, you don't
volatility
think
day,
that's not too big?
yeah, go ahead, boss.
I'm saying with the consolidation break, you don't think that's not that bad? Cause like you,
Yeah, I think it's bad.
okay, well, yeah, but with the consolidation break, like on a different play, I would understand, but like consolidation, like I think you had the perfect entry right there, 579.60.
No,
But
I
I
don't know,
see how
I
it's like
hesitated.
it's overextended into your level, so I understand that.
Yeah,
That was nasty.
because
Though.
I need to be aware of the open price is right above. Like I want my entry to be far away from the open and have wiggle room to see what the open does.
Someone said I can't hear Maki. That's interesting.
Is that enough of a pullback? Not enough.
Hell
Or
no.
would you like
No,
the
there's no
pullback?
way.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna mute.
It's a 1 minute trend right there.
Mm-hmm. Right at 580. Like exactly.
Tesla moved with when the market bounced.
Yeah. Over here. I see it. Oh man.
Shit.
I probably won't be touching this till 224 personally. Still,
It's a little behind here.
I'm not convinced fully on Tesla personally.
Your boy Coin is back.
I wanted to see if I wanted to retake 205, but I'm good off of that.
I'm looking at the 225 calls on Tesla. I'm looking to do a half position at 222.75 and then another half at 223.80. As long as this can hold up without the market, which it's doing right now, but we'll see how long that lasts for.
You wouldn't take 205 again, Frank?
No, I looked at it. Probably not.
Huh? Half entry at 222.75 is what I'm looking at currently. I just want to see what happens here with this red candle.
Yeah, Matt, that might happen. But it's alright. It's Frank. He's supposed to talk like that because if he doesn't, then everybody else is going to be paying attention and eyeing it like a hawk because he's still going to be waiting for the right things to do. So he has to talk that. He has to say it that way. Yeah, he'd be standing on business. Really want to to see this opening price hold on Tesla, but it's so behind now.
Yeah, well now definitely after that candle.
Next target here on the is 70. See what happens there. See, you get a little hesitation going. See, even coin is behind, so it's another thing.
Coin does
was
not move
ahead.
with the market though.
Yeah.
Coin is his own freaking animal.
George, if we keep going straight up, I'll consider it.
On coin,
Yeah.
it's looking crazy.
I usually like coin when it has a lot of momentum or Momo candles. When it's grinding up to a level though, I hate it. That's when I try to avoid it.
What contracts?
205s, but that's only like I need to see the stock rip. So that's like the scenario I need to see it in for me to take it.
SMCI just got smoked.
It should have got it there above 203.
Thank you, Pablo.
It's lagging. If you look on a 50, bro, don't compare coin to the market. It has nothing to do with the market.
Members matching Frankie.
Stay away from comparing it. It does the complete opposite. Well, not the opposite. It just does whatever it's want. So, for example, what if you don't compare? Nah, Jose, never. If you want to compare it, I'll help you compare it. This is coin.
I rarely ever use coin when not coin. I rarely ever use NQ when I'm watching coin. Does it help it to some extent? Yeah, it depends. The moves need to be volatile.
Look, coin, and then look at Bitcoin. Those are the only two things you should be. Well, the only things you should be looking at with coin. Don't look at anything else.
Now Tesla's doing what it needs to.
Yeah, Tesla's doing its own thing. Remember, half position I'm looking at is at 222.75.
Is there any more trends here?
It may look, considerably the same, Jose, but like in the long run, when you look at it over and over again out of 10 times, it's just Bitcoin. Just might look sort of the same today.
Got a lot of room on the 15-minute.
Remember, I'm looking at the 225 calls on Tesla. Looking to take a half entry at 222.75, and then another half at 223.80. Because I'm looking for the bigger play. So usually the ad would be a lot closer, but that's how I'm looking at. Oh, well, QQQ just flipped, George. So QQQ is a strong one here. All right, red candle on QQQ.
I think the momentum picks up after 50 cents here anyways. Third, that's a 70, right?
Wow, QQQ. Yeah, it is 70, but like, look at this. I want to see a mediocre candle on QQQ. Like something like this, but let's let it stay here for a little or even drop. Okay. Yeah, Tesla's doing the right thing, at least for now. Remember, half position at 222, 70, 75, around that area.
Oh, but coin starts getting closer, right?
Over Tesla?
Nah, just in case. Just in
Okay.
case. Just in case.
I'll switch over though if that gets close. Because then I don't have to worry about the fucking market, and it's getting close. Wow. I'm gonna set an alert at like 204.30, just in case I want to switch.
It's pushing aggressively.
Fuck me.
This is the momentum that I was talking about.
I switched over to coin, guys. Which
205s?
contracts?
I'm still on the 205, the same ones I traded
Yeah.
earlier today.
210. Can I have time to switch here? I'm gonna just rock with these for now. Where's your entry at? Right.
204.80 as of now.
Time on Tesla, anyways.
Yeah, Tesla pulled back, so that's good.
Wanna change the filter?
I'm watching puts now
But
on NQ. KQQ.
Luckily,
There it
coin-
goes.
I'm in these.
Oh my god. These are already moving crazy, bro. 206 is gonna be my target on this.
I'm gonna sell a third above 50 cents. I'm not fucking around with this like we did earlier. Personally.
My stop loss is gonna be these contracts hit 550. I got filled at 580. Oh my god. You look at volume 2 here.
Bid just picked
This-
up here.
This is that momentum I've been telling you guys about.
Bitcoin just ripped.
Yeah, I need that shit at like 80,000 right now.
This is the one time I'm rooting for Bitcoin.
I need this to snap quickly
Time
though.
sales. We picked up some buyers here. They need a little
Selling a
bit
third
more.
on this next local high.
You said what?
I'm gonna sell a third on this 50 cent break.
Oh, it's over.
Oh, that's an aggressive red to green.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, Bitcoin. Wow.
I didn't get
Still
to sell
going?
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
I don't really
skipping
trust
Because of
coin.
that candle, I might move my stop loss to be tighter, honestly. If I see the ask get below 205, not a hold, but if I see the ask hit 205 or below, I'm just gonna get out, no matter what. That's just me though. I'm not sure how you guys are looking to exit this trade. Good volume still on this candle.
You should get it here if it's gonna happen. It has to happen. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, say it should happen at any point now.
The ask needs to rip here. The bid's getting stuck at 205.20. See, the bid's the one that's struggling.
Yeah, definitely gonna move my hard stop if that ask gets below. We should have taken that high out more aggressively than what we just did.
It's all about that bid. That's why.
Yeah.
So this is where I entered 204.80, where we're at on the ask.
I personally got out.
NQ's about to trigger the puts play.
What's your put? Say it on the mic so they know.
So I'm looking at KQQ 489 puts. Next day expiration.
My stop
My
on
entry's gonna
My fault. I'm just gonna say my stop so they know. My stop on coin remains the same. It's gonna be before 204, so around 204.20.
My alert at 30 cents. Nor
Mine's 25.
beautiful bounce here. Now we just need more momentum here.
High on the contracts was 630 on that entire time. So.
You're not in the trade right now?
No. Mm-mm.
Could you check the 210s for me?
Yeah. The high?
Yeah.
George? 430 was the high on the contracts.
I'm about to trigger here, Nor. Going up against Bitcoin.
Bitcoin drop.
I didn't get to sell anything earlier. The move wasn't smooth enough for me to sell. I wanted to sell limit.
So what I'm gonna do is add at 205.53 if we get back up there. And I'm gonna tighten up my stop after that to 204.50. So if I see 205.53, well, I have an alert at 205.50. Once that alert goes off, I'm gonna add to the position, and then my stop will be 204.50 instead of 204.
Only down 5%.
Yeah, I'm in a light position too. That's why the add is gonna be perfect if I can get it, and then I'll just tighten up my stop.
I will say too, Meta's been holding down. I know you guys are in the trade. I looked back on Meta. Meta's holding close to the low of day right now. I know it has that trend line, but the fact that NQ's been pushing all day, at least since that bounce, and Meta didn't really get affected, doesn't look bad now.
Bitcoin still dropped more, and coin held up. So this could be it. So be ready just in case. Keep your finger on the trigger on either way here.
I'm keeping a close eye on Meta.
Yeah, let me know because I might switch over soon. My stop might hit.
The low was, just to tell you the numbers, the low was 575.57, and it's currently at 577. So, like $1.50 away. But I like how well this is holding down. Jared, I know, but with that bounce in the market, most of the stocks we're watching had some sort of move with it, and Meta didn't really do anything with it. So,
Jose, do you see Bitcoin? Do you see coin? See how they just had the same candle?
I was close to stopping out there. The ass didn't really drop though, heavy. Get aggressive, bro. Bid, okay, bid, let go.
I hope it lets me add. Like I don't want this to snap right through.
See a close here above.
Yeah, 15 seconds. Rami, if you want to look at BTC, it's /BTC. I'll write it down.
Send it to him.
I sent it. Remember, coin isn't your regular stock, so it doesn't move the same way we would normally play, like a Tesla. Here we go. I'm getting ready to add. And then I'm going to tighten up my stop. There's a big wall here. Not a big wall. Decent wall. I added. Tighten up my stop now. Contracts are 630. I believe Frankie said the peak was 635.
630 was the high.
Yeah, it's at peak here. I got the ad before it made a new high. Remember I said 50 cents. I'm just going to tighten up my stop. If it works, it works. It doesn't. Need a little bit more on that bid here. The bid comes back to 60. This should break through 206 pretty quickly.
I'm gonna try to sell at least a third here. Maybe half.
I'm going to sell a third on the break of 206. Buyers. It's straight buyers here, guys.
Just pay close attention to the contracts if they do flip or not.
Oh, it broke.
They're just 640.
650.
Yeah. Nice.
Room to 207.36. I'm not going to hold that long, but just letting you know that's how much room I have on this, and that's why I played it. Getting ready to sell a third. Just sold a third right there. I have 2/3 left. Obviously, you could get out of it if you want. I like go a third just to make sure I can protect something there.
Really want to see this 206 hold here.
Sold the third at peak there.
I think 205 my stop now, Nor.
Okay.
Not hard, not a hard stop. But yeah. Depending how we get there. Yeah, Brev, I took the 210s. I didn't have time to switch. It was too close.
Are those moving as bad as they're saying they are?
What?
Yeah, it's not great.
Oh, the 210?
Okay. Yeah.
I didn't look at them.
Yeah, I just gotta rock with him now. There's nothing else I could do.
Right, yeah.
Georgia's stop is 205, which would be
I
like
need
a
to see a, yeah.
yeah, and not a hard stop.
Yours is still 204.50?
Yeah, around there at least. Bitcoin just pulled back pretty heavily, so we'll see if this can hold up. It was holding up before. Contracts are still $6. What'd you say?
No, I was telling Chris I didn't get to see.
Maki's still looking at puts. I feel like I'm talking over him. On QQQ, right? Maki's grabbing a coffee, Jared.
I didn't stop out. I like what the ass did there. Never dropped below.
Contracts are 620. Spread on the contracts are a little wide. Bitcoin's still struggling. Bounced right off at 204.50. Nice bid right there. Wow, Bitcoin got clapped there. Coin's still holding up. This is good. All right, so if we move a little bit higher here above the 50-cent level, I'm going to place a hard stop, so it's a lot easier. It's going to be slightly above 204.50. I'll let you guys know in a second here. If we don't bounce here, I'm out. Ask is still at 52 cents. This doesn't hold up here, I'm out of these. Candle's about to close. Finger on the sell button just in case. Finger on the sell button. BTC getting smoked. Sold. Out of those. Contracts weren't down much. It's not like I had to get out of those. It's just I'm not trading coin consistently. Like contracts right now are exactly 530. Sold the third when it was at peak, so that was really nothing much there.
Show your comment.
I would love to see coin dump now. That would be great.
Yeah.
I doubt it though.
Yeah, nah.
I care less.
Trade was there. It is coin one of these days. Anyways, everything kind of moving bonking. So.
Did you end up selling at the top too, or no?
I sold half at the top.
Yeah.
I sold half at the top, so like I'm good. You know what I mean? But I wanted more. Like that fit. Once 206.50 would have broke, bro. Like that would have been. I was smooth selling all the way to 207 at least.
Mm-hmm. I had nothing till 207.50, 207.60.
What is that? I'm finna head out unless y'all wanna do a quick Q&A.
I'm still gonna stick around a little bit more for Meta.
Me
So,
too, just a little bit. Oh, yeah, we can do a Q&A though.
Did you try coin with us, Frank, the second time?
second time, like the one I talked about.
The one just now.
Yeah, I got out for a little bit
Time we tried
above.
it, no?
Yeah, I got out for like a little above green break even.
Yeah.
I set my fills earlier, but here they are. I'll send the times with them here.
What did you say? What does that mean? Meta, you have break even or profit? What does that mean? Profit or break even for what? Oh, coin? That second one was just about break even. Because I was able to sell at the top a third.
Q's getting close.
Why did you guys choose coin over Meta? I didn't have anything on Meta. The opening play, like the candle was just an opening candle through 580. There's nothing I could do with that.
And Q's close, guys. I'm looking at the 490 puts on next day expiration for QQQ. And I'm looking for a close below this 90-cent level. There's about 30 seconds left. I need a clean close above. Can be patient with this. It has to actually close below 90 cents.
That's right off the open, Eamon.
10 seconds left. So I'm in SPY, QQQ puts. 490 puts next day expiration. Alright. So my target is close to that low day, but I'll see how it behaves into that 488.50. But mainly watching 488.50. Below 489 is where I'm looking to sell half. We should bounce here or consolidate. If it doesn't, then it's aggressive.
I'm just on the stream. It's a nice shirt.
Yeah, thanks.
What is that?
I don't know. I found it in my closet.
Wait, turn around. What?
It's a mirror.
Oh, really?
It's the no, the number on it.
Yeah, 22. It's pretty sick.
You don't know about this shirt?
Nah, it's probably mine, but it's yours now.
What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, man. You pulling up on Thursday? What's that, tomorrow?
Oh,
Game time.
nah.
I'm up a
oh,
decent amount here.
yeah,
Getting
sure.
ready to sell half.
Where's
Are
Bundles?
you going? I don't know. I
If we
smell
can
him.
break
He's
489.
somewhere.
No.
Up 8%.
Where was?
You got school, right?
I do expect
Oh,
this to
never mind.
consolidate,
Yeah.
but if it doesn't, that would obviously be great for us. Green to red. Here it comes. We're at intraday demand here. We should see a quick drop and then some upside pressure.
The narrow, his first target is 489 break, so like 20 cents away.
Yeah. Alright, selling half, guys. Sold half.
First target hit.
Yeah, first target hit. I'm up 18%. Let's see if it's capable of getting more. Max, I'm willing to hold this is like 488. I'm not expecting low of day here because this is a big retracement. Holy crap. This is getting extended. On the next drop here, I'm gonna sell the rest. I get ready, guys. Got my finger on the trigger for the sell.
Meta Nor.
Yeah, but the market's dumping.
Sold,
Not
guys.
sure. Not sure if you're around or interested.
Sold for 20% on the rest.
Yo, same days were crazy, Maki.
You played it, Noor?
Not same days, no. I'm just saying, even the chat's saying it. I was just looking at it. The same days.
Alright, how'd you guys do? How'd everyone do? Run the chat, baby. Run the chat. Yeah, it would have been nice if I could catch both. That would have been a crazy day.
Yeah,
Imagine, like both calls and puts.
Yeah, the first one moved too fast.
Holy crap.
Yo, Nvidia went from high day to lower day to high day, and now it's like in the mid.
You still interested on Meta or no, Nor?
With this market, it's dropping. I don't know. As long as, like, if the market bounces now and Meta stays in this area, I'm still interested.
Alright. That's a wrap.
Maki's donezo. Frankie, I'm gonna stay like another 13 minutes.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm calling it at 11. After that, I'm done for the day. Today's not the day for me to want to be around that long.
You green for the day?
Yeah, $450.
I'm slightly red. So I'll be alright if I leave a meta. Nice. Do you play with less size on coin? Yeah. Whenever I don't play stocks that I consistently play, it's always lighter. So for some of you guys, like for example, what's like a stock that you guys don't like? Like Netflix, for example. I feel like a lot of you would go lighter on that. Yeah, exactly. Coin is like that type of stock for me. The absolute worst. I loved it though. The Amazon pre-split. Doesn't look like we'll get that meta play, Frankie.
Oh, no, sir.
We got 8 minutes. Phew. a movie. I mean, yesterday we got like a 5-minute day with Tesla, so I'm happy those coin contracts today. I feel like if it was, this is like the complete opposite of what coin usually does on those pullbacks. Today it was very healthy from what normally happens. So even if I had like a full position on coin, still would have been a valid like loss today that I'd be happy with. Nah, I didn't signal Microsoft. I wanted the play before market open. And then when it happened, the market just didn't look ready for me. They do both, Vidal. No trips planned. Oh, actually, I have a day trip planned on freaking Saturday, but I'll be back same day. But Sunday we got the boot camp for next week. Are you participating in the 250K Mumu challenge? I am. I think if I'm allowed to. If you want to participate, you have to be part of Mumu. DR? I don't know. I haven't been there in a long time. That was a perfect sell for Maki on QQQ.
God is good.
Yo, Frankie, I don't know if you're still here.
Yo.
It looks better than before.
Oh, Meta?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just haven't figured out a good entry. Because I think if we touch, they have a wall at 576, but it's nothing crazy to write home about. But with how low the volume is on Meta, I'm afraid if I wait to get in after that, it'll just snap down.
Yeah.
With this consolidation it's been in.
Meta must face U.S. state lawsuits over. Those things don't matter to Meta. That's like an everyday thing. Couple fake accounts. Yeah, I'm sure. How much you read?
$85.
Yeah, doing good. That's exactly how much you. I thought you'd be down like $200-300. That'd still be amazing. $85. You learning something?
Oh, but
Matthew, that guy. Brev. Meta entry alert. Depends if Frankie still likes it. I don't even know if he's still here.
I do like it. I just don't know. I haven't figured it this whole time. I just can't figure out a good entry on this.
Meta, yeah, 5-7.
The problem with that, Dimitri, I've been watching it all day. It's been just bouncing off of that like 576, like 5 low, like the 5 cent level, and then it's just been bouncing anything above that. It hasn't touched 576 exactly once, but in my history of watching these kinds of setups on Meta, even if it touches the level, most of the time, it bounces even off of that. And if you wait for the level to break, sometimes it just snaps and you miss your entry for how aggressive it is. So it's tricky to figure out a good entry point on this that's safe, but also that you can make money on. So that's why I've had a hard time trying to figure out like a good entry point on this. I think if I see an aggressive candle, like this one, go into touch 576, that'll probably be my entry. If not, if we just kind of come back and kind of grind it out, never mind. Okay.
Oh. I'm looking at these 570 puts.
I'm already in, by the way, Nor, so.
All right. I'm in as well.
These contracts are just gaining value without the stock moving as of right now.
Yeah. What'd you get filled at?
480.
Oh, you're in 575.
I bought twice. Yeah. I bought some when we touched 576.10 when I was talking about how aggressive the candle would be, and then I bought more at the
New
exact
low
level.
on the bill.
Yeah. Now the only issue I have left with this whole setup is that 1 hour trend.
Yeah, it's right there at 575.
Yeah. But this is a consolidation break, so we should break it, especially because this is ahead of the market too right now.
The good thing about the trend is it's right under 575. So if it's gonna happen, it has some room.
I don't know about you though. I'm having a like super tight stop, probably like a 5% stop on this.
Yeah, I'm with you.
So.
I'm gonna add though.
We have another wall at 575. Nothing crazy though. Around 10,000. I'm gonna set an alert there. The moment we break that, I'm selling everything.
I just set an alert. I'm gonna add soon. I just added.
Here we go.
Gonna sell.
It's around 10.
Gonna sell a third on the break.
It's around 10,000 in size.
Yeah.
Should get it right here with this being super ahead of the market and doing its own thing. Now, what would be a take profit if this happens to bounce? I don't know. We should get it though.
Market just bounced red to green.
I think I'll still keep the same stop loss.
Yeah, I'm keeping the same stop.
Yeah. I like how well this is ahead of the market. Only problem is that trend line now, Nor.
Yeah, and the market's bouncing pretty heavy.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It's not too bad. It's just a green candle. It's a red to green candle. It sucks, but this is originally ahead of, so.
Contracts really don't move, so it's actually holding up on the contract wise.
You
just got the push.
I'm about to sell here soon. Yeah, well. I was up really nicely on that, but I was looking for the 475 breakout.
I didn't even lose 10% on that.
I didn't either. The spread was around 30 cents when I went to go sell, and it actually blessed me for once.
That's really just the market there. Look at that. From SPY and QQ. It's right on the trend line. Those are the trends that mattered in that trade.
Anthony, I've had hour-long trades. That is not my longest trade.
Nah.
That's nothing. You just haven't been in the chat long enough.
Wow, those
Seeing
contracts really didn't do anything. That's the best I've seen those contracts hold up. And it's Wednesday. Right back below 576.
I was fire though. I was up, I think 2,000 at that exact low.
Did you sell anything?
Nah. Oh, I mean, I sold for break even.
No, I'm
But
saying, did you sell anything on the low?
no. Mm-mm. I was with it being super ahead. The only problem we had left is that trend line. So
Yeah.
that was a clean bounce off of it. So
Wow, contracts are still 283. That's wild. I think I'm calling it a day here.
yeah, I'm done too.
We got the lesson at 8 p.m. Eastern time, but I'm done trading. SMCI just broke out though. Whoa.
Oh, that is breaking out. Oh
Mhm.
fuck. Ah man, bro. What? Fuck. No, I'm good. If this sets up for me tomorrow or at some point intraday today, I'll be interested. If not, I'm just skipping it. I'm not gonna take it straight up pushing.
Let me.
All right, that's it for me. What's up?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll say that's it for me though. I'm gonna hit the gym. If this somehow holds up for tomorrow or sets up some sort of intraday setup, then I'll let you know. But I'm done. So y'all take care and peace out.
All right. Now I have to make sure I catch it without Frankie. Would I try Meta again? No. His contracts barely move. I want to try SMCI. It's just gonna go straight up or what? Wow, coin came back 206. Oh my god. Shred. SMCI just squeezing now. See if I can get a red to green. I'm gonna try the $50 calls at 75 cents. I'm in these. I'm gonna have a tight stop though. This is overextended, but this squeezed the same exact way recently. Wow, those contracts should hit like $1.70. Wow, Frankie. You're a loser. I'm getting ready to add at 92. I added. Going for the 50 break. There's a wall there. So it should struggle a second there, but if we spend maybe like 5 seconds, it'll break through. That's not much of a wall. Yo, the way these contracts move, Frankie, is kind of wild. My finger's on the sell button though, just in case it pulls back. $99 here on the bid. Whoa. Contracts just hit $1.80 on that. Wow. Talk about moving the needle there. Wow. 20-cent break. Frankie, please tell me you caught that. Did you stay in for the 50 break? Oh, shit. Frankie caught it. All right, cool. I was trying to catch you without Frankie. It's all right. We'll get him on another trade. Fuck. This guy, Frankie. Nice, Dimitri. Coin is a new one on my personal ban list. It was actually on my ban list. I don't know why I took it off. But today it might have been added back. I like the way it moved today. Like the contracts wise, not the stock. I haven't played Roku in so long. I don't have no damn Roku TV. I'm moody. That shit sucks. Frankie, I have one more trade for you if you're down. Unless you want me to catch without you, buddy. All right. I will make money without Frankie. Nah, not Tesla. I'll pass on Tesla. Should we have a play without Frankie? Yes or no? I need some votes. Yo. Yeah, I did. I wish I kept those though. Those were the best boots I've ever had for the winter. Damn, Frankie. Why'd you upload? I got one more trade for you. Alright, so unlike Frankie, I didn't sell all of it at the peak. So if this doesn't start moving the needle here, I'm just gonna get out. Contracts are $1.40. $1.45. I'm not looking at anything. I'm just still in freaking SMCI. 35K volume. Wow. It held 49.50 for a long time, and that was the breakout level. So if we can hold for a little bit longer here, this should be an easy rally here. If not, I'm gonna cut it if we can't move soon. Yeah, the coin just hit the target 207. Wow, 207.77. I like North sticking around. Don't get used to that. These are Maki hours. All right, I'm literally giving this like another 2 minutes, 3 minutes max, and no matter where we're at, I'm gonna sell unless we break out. So if we stay in the same area, which I'm basically break even at here, I'm still gonna sell. On the bigger time frame, coin has room up to 227. Obviously dependent on Bitcoin, but it looks like it's finally ready to break out. I might end up calling a swing on that soon. We'll see. All right, another minute and a half here that I'm giving SMCI. If it doesn't break out and it stays in the same spot, I'm out of here. Or my stop loss, either or, whatever comes first. I'm giving it another minute and a half. We get the right push. I plan on adding one more time. All right, we got like 45 seconds before I walk out of this trade. Above 80 cents, I'll stay. $10 seconds on this trade. Let's see. I'll let the candle close first. Wall here at 74 cents, about a 50 wall, which is not a lot. 58, 20, it just broke. There we go. Perfect timer. All right, get them ready to add. At 50.10, I'm looking to add. At 50.10. And then I'll tighten up stop. Market's not holding up. Damn, look at the volume on that candle. Should get it pretty quickly here. After 50, it should be a straight up move to the high. We'll see if the high holds up, but I don't have any trends. Wait, do I have an alert? Yeah, I do. Fingers on the button. I think it's going to snap through. Hopefully not right through 50.10. Would I consider playing coin? No. Already tried it twice. There it goes. Just snapped right over and then came right back below. So let's see what happens here. So we got rid of that wall at 50. So next time this touches 50, it'll go through. And yeah, Maki. It just rejected off basically the same level again. Can't ignore this chart though.
See, I don't want to say anything, so I don't jinx it.
It's all good.
It's gonna say it looks bad, so it does the opposite.
So the 1 hour volume increased every hour, which you don't really normally see. So that's a good sign. Am I going to stick around to find out if it's a great sign? No. So whether we hit my stop or end up pushing here, that's the only way. Back down to 70 cents. These contracts are $1.50. We just needed to flirt at 50. That's really it. I don't. Not asking for much here. 50 should get this going. I'm going to add a 50-10 if we get that. We're at 50. There we go, 50.01. Let's stick there for a little bit. So when I add, I'm going to tighten up the stop to 49.70. I added. Whoa. My alert went off real quick there. This is a rejection area for you, right, Maki?
No, we already broke that level. Come on, baby. Come on.
It's right at it.
Yo, it's at like 09. What we got, bro?
We got above for now. The bid's holding above 50, which is a good sign for now. We'll see how long that lasts for. SPY is grinding higher. Whoa, spelled that wrong. All right, I added my hard stop. 49.60 is my hard stop as of right now. Getting ready to sell a third soon. We just broke through. Contracts are $1.80.
You know, the last time we saw these levels was the 27th of August.
Uh-huh. All right, this should be the easy part. So if we don't get it going right now, I'm going to get out. We've already got through the hard part on the bigger time frame. There it goes. 30 just broke. Contracts are $1.85. I'm going to sell a third soon. My finger's on the sell button. I haven't sold, sadly. New high on the ask. New high. Market's falling. $1.80 still. Whoa, that's tough. See how fast these candles are moving?
Yeah. Right now, it doesn't even need to push. It just needs to stay above 50 for a little bit.
As you say that. It's always the market. Look at NQ.
Yep.
Make it as hard as possible. Contracts are still $1.60. My hard stop is my hard stop. It's a hard stop. 49.60. No hard feelings if it hits. 49.60 on the stock, obviously. The market's not feeling anything right now. Contracts are at an original entry, which is $1.50 a contract, so nothing has really changed. Straight buyers here. Above 50 again on the ask.
The market is shooting itself.
Yeah. If SMCI can just hold up here. Wow. Yeah, definitely good divergence. The stock usually doesn't move with the market, but it would get hit usually with these big red candles. So the fact that it's at least holding up here is a good sign, and it's pushed into 50. A bounce in the market would set this right straight to 51. Buyer stacked at 50. Yeah. All right, stream, you guys have my target and you guys have my stop loss, so stick to those. First target on this is 50.50, and then the second target on this is 51. And then stop would be 49.60.